Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of EcoWash Industries. Well, if you're out there and you're thinking about doing this business, you're shopping around, you're looking for that vendor to work with, what separates EWI from the rest is we are the in-house manufacturer. We build everything outside of this chassis right here in our facility, giving you better product warranty, better customer service, and not just that, you're working with a company who's still actively out there soliciting our own municipality contracts, as well as working with solid waste companies when it comes to the maintenance of their containers. We constantly evolve our trucks based off what we're learning in the field. When you work with a company who's actually in the service you want to be part of, you're going to get a little further out knowing what works and what doesn't work. Now, I'm not a franchise. That's something I'm going to make very clear. A lot of people see the value we create for our clients from our Kickstarter, giving you logo design, website, custom wrap. We just wanted to get into this, give you the best value to create the relationship, and then move forward in hopes that we can all become successful at some point to make this service normal in the trash industry. And what you see here is our hybrid 2-in-1 EcoWash system. This allows you to wash dumpsters and residential containers all on the same system, not leaving you limited to one side of this industry when you're starting this business. A good 98% of our customers start out with our hybrid 2-in-1 system. As it allows them to wash dumpsters, they could project about $100 a dumpster. You can wash up to 30 dumpsters a day. It allows them to make a lot more money, doing a lot less work, but also making them look the part. You know, being limited to just one side of this industry can restrict you from going out and getting the contracts. If you'd love to learn more, give us a call anytime, 480-789-0931. Visit ecowashindustries.com. Again, my name is Greg Aganowski. I really do appreciate your time. Make it a great day.